Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what type of rechargeable AA batteries it's recommended to buy for such flameless LED candles, and it's definitely lithium ion. Even when they are the most expensive, we can definitely get nickel cadmium or nickel metal hydride much cheaper, but they have a huge disadvantage, and that's that the voltage drops over time. So even when there is still some charge inside, the voltage is dropping. And so I can show you that with one click here. You can see the difference. Here we have much more charge, here medium, maybe here medium, and here very low charge. And this is what you don't want to see when you have such beautiful candles. You always want to have them in this state, and that's only possible with lithium ion. So when you go with the cheaper ones, the nickel cadmium or nickel metal hydride, then you have to recharge them pretty soon, maybe after a week instead of a month or so. And then you have also another disadvantage. Apart from having more work, they can produce some kind of memory effect where they are losing even more power, and then maybe you have to replace these batteries after very short time. So at the end you are not saving money, you are losing money, and you are wasting a lot of time to recharge the battery. So what I recommend is definitely lithium ion. And the good thing as well with lithium ion, we have these new AA batteries which don't need a charger anymore. Of course, you can still use the normal ones which are requiring to be charged in a charger case, but this needs some additional space. And maybe it's not so obvious that it's rechargeable. Here it's much easier. These are the new type of rechargeable lithium ion batteries. You can recharge them with a USB plug either here or here on top. That's the newest edition here from the top with USB-C. So this is the thing which I recommend. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check them out and order a set or two for you. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.